Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in statistics, the y-intercept of a regression line. We'll break down the formula, which is A equals y bar minus b times x bar, to understand what it means and how it's used. So, what exactly is a regression line? Imagine you have a set of data points on a graph. A regression line, or the line of best fit, is a single straight line that best captures the trend of that data. It helps us see and predict the relationship between two variables. The relationship is described by a simple equation. Y hat equals a plus b times x here. Y hat is the predicted value of our y variable. The letter b represents the slope of the line, which tells us how steep it is. The x is the value of our x variable, and a is the y-intercept, which is our main focus. The y-intercept, is where our regression line crosses the vertical y-axis. This happens when the x variable is equal to 0. So, the y-intercept gives us the predicted value of y, specifically at the point where x is 0. To find the y-intercept, we use the formula A equals y bar minus b times x bar. In this formula, y bar stands for the average of all the y values in our dataset. X bar is the average of all the x values, and b is the slope of the regression line. Let's walk through an example. Imagine we're looking at the relationship between hours studied and exam scores. We have a small dataset with 4 students. For this demonstration, we will assume that the slope of the line, b, has already been calculated for us and is equal to 10. First, we need to find the average, or mean, of our x and y values. To find the mean of x, we add up all the study hours and divide by the number of students. This gives us an x bar of 4. We do the same for the exam scores, which gives us a y bar of 80. Now we have all the pieces we need. We take our formula, A equals y bar minus b times x bar, and plug in our values. This becomes A equals 80 minus, in parentheses, 10 times 4. This simplifies to 80 minus 40, which gives us our final answer, A equals 40. So, what does this result mean? Our final regression equation is y hat equals 40 plus 10 times x. The y-intercept of 40 tells us the predicted exam score if a student studies for 0 hours. It's the starting point, or baseline value, predicted by our model. It's important to be careful when interpreting the y-intercept. It's only truly meaningful if an x value of 0 is realistic for your data. Also, the intercept can often be a result of extrapolation, which is making a prediction far outside the range of your actual data. These extrapolated values can sometimes be misleading. To wrap up, remember that the y-intercept is the predicted value of y when x equals 0. It's calculated using the formula A equals y bar minus b times x bar. And most importantly, always think about whether the y-intercept has a practical meaning in the context of your data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.